Hello everyone, this is the SEO Repair Kit dashboard. There you can see all the issues in the main dashboard. Here are the key tools, all the features of the SEO Repair Kit in WordPress. You see your plan in the dashboard. First feature is links manager. Select post types if you want to scan. So scanning result is here. Then second feature is 404 monitor. Third is auto scan, that you can scan automatically after save settings. Then you can see all the notifications and smart retracts. Second feature is advanced redirection, there you can put all the redirection links. You can track logs and import export in this feature. Third feature is spam monitor. Here the dashboard of the spam monitor, which is almost in beta version and ready to live. And here are the settings of the spam monitor. So select language, keywords, custom keywords, URL pattern rules, threshold, scoring, and after saving setting, here the Google search scan screen. You can go to your website and after results scan index, after saving you can see your results of search monitor. Third is Google console cleanup screen, that you can see all the issues. Here are the alerts. You can make them enable or disable. Here are the settings screen of spam monitor, that you can enable or disable schedule scan. Here are the main dashboard results. Internal linking. Internal linking feature is ready to live. There you can see all the screens, content index, keyword link opportunity, auto linking. There you can save settings, URL changer, approved links, orphan content, reports, settings of the internal linking, save changes. Here is the advanced screen for internal linking. There you can see all the image alt text feature of the SEO Repair Kit. There you can see all the images. Here is the schema manager. There you can integrate your all the schemas of the website, like organization schema, meta manager. This is the most important feature of the SEO Repair Kit. Content types. Third one is taxonomies. Fourth one is image SEO, archives, and advanced settings. Bot manager feature. There you can enable or disable any LLM or select or unselect post type, select taxonomies or unselect the generate LLM.txt. Here is your LLM.txt of your website. Save them. Here is the report.txt. Sitemap manager. There you can enable your or disable your sitemap on your website. Select any post type to include or exclude and sitemap. Save setting. AI chatbot. Here is the AI chatbot of the inside WordPress SEO Repair Kit. There you can search any question key track. Here is the key track feature dashboard. Here are the pages. Here are the queries. Here are the threshold settings. SEO Repair Kit for AI generated website. Create your account by putting name, email and password. Copy this script and paste in your head of the website. Here the dashboard of AI generated for AI generated websites. This is the scan screen. Here is the call details. Here is the report or txt of your website. Here is the site map of your website. Here is the broken links monitor screen. Export. Here is the image alt screen. Deploy fixes screen. You can download your reports. Here is the comparison of before and after SEO comparison. You can see your improvements here. Here is the main dashboard of SEO Repair Kit for customer side. SEO order tool. There you can create your account. Create account. Start order. Select order types. Go to your website URL. Start scanning. Here is the here's a report of all SEO order types. You can download the report here. You can see all the report in single PDF. SEO Repair Kit Shopify app, which is under development. Broken link scanning. Here is the results after scanning. Here you can see your broken links. Here is the redirection feature in the Shopify SEO Repair Kit app. Create redirect.